So now you must be thinking, why am I sitting with all these products? Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel, Curly Deepa. Well, today's video is very special. You know why? Because it's about embracing and enhancing those gorgeous curls of yours. So if you're looking for real and candid videos and not made up ones, please subscribe to my channel. I have seen a lot of people making videos based on morning schedule, evening schedule, afternoon schedule. Let me be very frank with you. I've been living in this hair for I don't know how long. And I can tell you that it is nothing less than a battlefield. And मेरा कोई morning schedule या afternoon schedule तो evening schedule होता ही नहीं है. सब चीज़ की बैंड बज जाती है जब आप बाल के साथ डील करने लगते हो. Finally those girls are very beautiful, but life बहुत tough है. ठीक है आप ये समझ लो ഇത് വലിയ സംഭവമൊന്നുമില്ല ഐ മീൻ ഈ മോർണിംഗ് ഷെഡ്യൂളും ആഫ്റ്റർനൂൺ ഷെഡ്യൂളും ഈവനിങ് ഷെഡ്യൂളൊക്കെ വെറുതെയാണ് ഈ പറയുന്നതൊക്കെ അത്രയും നന്നായിട്ടൊന്നും മെയിൻറ്റെയിൻ ചെയ്ത് പോകാൻ പറ്റത്തേ ഇല്ല ബിക്കോസ് ഇതൊരു യുദ്ധഭൂമി പോലെ തന്നെയാണ് ഇതിന് കുറവായിട്ടൊന്നുമില്ല So now you must be thinking, why am I sitting with all these products? I have been struggling with all these products actually. I remember that when I started my curly hair, okay, when I started showcasing my curly hair, I think I started with Head and Shoulders, and that was the shampoo available then. But I was happy for some time. But when I wanted the curls to be more defined, I think I was again facing the challenge because I was not happy with the product. Then I think I shifted to so many other products. Dove. I really tried everything in this world. Whatever was accessible, I tried everything, but never gave me any happiness. I remember that there was a time when Livon was a fashion and it just came and I used it. And I remember that that was giving me happiness for some time. And then I remembered started using L'Oreal. Yeah, L'Oreal was yet another product which gave me happiness for longest time. So I think this is the one I was using it, and this is not the normal. It is not the professional one. It was a very simple normal one. Whenever I was using this, I used to think that why should I use the simple one? Let me go for professional one. But the professional one is also not giving me any happiness. So I always came back to the normal L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. So I think I have it here. Now this is the nourishing conditioner and the shampoo. So I don't usually stick on to the coloring one or the dry one. I usually go for the frizzy dry hair shampoo conditioner of L'Oreal. But at times I use everything. I'm not very particular about anything. Now, people come up with so many routines. For me, I'm not even bothered about that because whenever I had to go for any outing or like any show or any other, for that matter, any meeting or anything, I was very particular about one thing that curls have to be defined. And I think the only trick I used to use was that I never used to comb my hair, okay? I never used to comb my hair. Initially, I never used to comb it. I used to wash it every alternate day and leave it towel dried. That's it. And I never used any drying product, nothing. I never used anything not natural. Okay. Now let's talk about the actual secret behind my hair. Well, I always used my mother's homemade coconut oil. And let me tell you one more thing. If you're buying oil from outside, one bottle is the quantity that you require at one point in time. I'm very sorry to say that. I used to use the entire 250 ml. Imagine. And then I never used to find the oil anywhere in my hair. So then what I did was that was when I started my schooling and my college days and all. But then I realized that my mom used to make coconut oil at home. Maybe I'm from Kerala, so I trust coconut oil more, or I'm more comfortable with the smell and all. But if you're not comfortable, then you can use any oil. But always coconut oil, which was homemade, gave me the maximum results. So I used to make sure that I'm not using anything artificial on my hair because my hair used to become dry very fast. So the consistency that I got from the coconut oil was really awesome. So my oiling part was like I used to do it every alternate day. That's one thing because I had to wash my hair whenever I had to go out because styling curly hair becomes very difficult if you don't wash your hair. And I will suggest because I have this experience of maintaining this hair since long, I will always suggest that do not use any drying products on your hair. Always use towel to dry your hair. And whenever you want to apply anything like a serum or anything, always use it on the wet hair. Okay. So the kind of water that you use, that is like most of the places have hard water and some places have soft water. Now the difference that I felt is that soft water is really good for your curly hair. When it comes to hard water, what happens is your hair becomes very dry and it is not manageable. And I remember whenever I am in Kochi, I'm not very satisfied with my hair, but at times I go to my mom at Trivandrum and I find it so satisfying because it is soft water there and the hair becomes automatically soft with just one wash. So as I told you before, do not stick to any routine, okay? Whatever is comfortable for you, because there are so many products that are coming in the market and they are so expensive also. And if you feel, what happens is, I don't think you get every product in Smitten also that you can try and just throw it off. So I have this experience of losing so much of money behind so many products, and I'm telling you that is not a great thing. So once you're happy, because now what I've concluded is that if you're happy with one product, just stick on to that. Don't go for. Sometimes you feel like you want to enhance, you want to, go upgrade your products, but I don't think that's really working out for me. Maybe you can always keep trying, but that is not going to be good for your hair also. So let's move on to these products. I think I'll do a review of all these products that I've used all these years. Now I have all these things because most of them are unused because I buy them, I use them. If I'm not happy with it, I don't use them anymore. When you talk about Priyanka Chopra, I'm like a big fan of hers. Okay, I don't know. I get motivated, and I always see her videos when she speaks. I love her. When it came to her Animali, this was really expensive for me, but so you can see the difference. This itself says that I was very happy with the, not happy actually, I was okay with the conditioner. But when it came to the shampoo part, my hair became very dry and I don't think I really liked it. So this is another product that I've been using for some time now, which gave me maximum happiness. Okay, it has been consistent in satisfying me because I'm a very tough person when it comes to product satisfaction. So I think this used to come in a violet color bottle, and now they've changed the packing to this. So don't get confused; it's the same product, and I'm still happy with it. And then let's move on to Schwarzkopf that I tried. Well, all these products, they come in the premium category. So what happens is the Animali is also like similar to this price, but definitely Schwarzkopf is one product that gave me some softness. But again, totally depends on the product that you're selecting, okay? Because this is a spa which I'm happy with. But when it came to their shampoo, what I felt was that because I love my curly hair, um, I think it was becoming more straightened hair, or the curls were going off, and I was really scared of that. I didn't want that. I was not very happy with their conditioner and shampoo. Uh, so I thought, no, I don't want that. I want what I do is I whenever I go to a cosmetic shop to get something, I usually don't get anything online. I stay away from online purchase. But yeah, I do try at times, but 90% of the time I go and pick up stuff myself. So Be Blunt was one product that was suggested to me by one of the cosmetic shop guys, but I don't think I was very happy. I just used it once. Maybe it is good for a normal hair, but I don't think it is advisable for curly hair. But totally do not go by what I also say because it totally depends on the texture of your hair, and every hair is different. Okay. Now moving on to one very viral product, that is Curl Up. So Curl Up was suggested to me by my singer friend. So I'm an anchor also. So I like I do shows and I meet a lot of people with different hairstyles and all. So this lady told me that she has similar hair like mine. So she told me Curl Up is one product that is giving her a lot of satisfaction, and she's able to, and her hair was also maintained really well. And after listening to that, I purchased the whole package, which was like three products together: the shampoo, conditioner, and the defining cream. Well, just one thing I wanted to say, that I'm not happy with the product. Now, if you ask me, I think 80% of the market people are really happy with this product. So you may continue to use if you really find it good. Moral of the story is that don't go by others' words. You need to go and buy it, use it, and if you're happy, continue using it. Now, let me come back to L'Oreal, like I do every time. So, all these products I have used and purchased and tried over time, okay? But what is constant and consistent in my life is L'Oreal. Now, I keep telling people whenever they ask me, like, ma'am, what do you do to your hair? How do you maintain your hair? I tell them that use L'Oreal simple shampoo and conditioner. Even if you don't look at it as for frizzy or colored hair, nothing. I think all their products are almost similar. So you can keep using this. Now, I think I started using this almost 10 years back, and I'm still using it. And the only product that has given me happiness, always happiness, at least I'm able to maintain my hair, is because of L'Oreal. I make it a point that I use shampoo and conditioner only twice in a week because my hair texture is very dry. So I have to really make sure that the hair porosity is right. It shouldn't be very low and it shouldn't be very high also. So I always wanted it to be like medium. And another thing that I make sure is that whenever I'm oiling my hair, I at least keep the oil for a day because it takes time for the hair to absorb oil also, because curly hair is really difficult to maintain like that. And third thing, very important, is that uh, please don't try to replicate anyone that you see in the market. Like, don't go by what influencers say, because your hair texture is totally different from others. So you need to select a product that is suitable for your hair, and do not depend on any other person's advice or anything. Bring the product home, try it, and if you feel that it is okay, then continue that. The most important thing that you should always keep in your mind, I don't think this has been ever discussed, I've not seen anyone discussing about this. Sunburn can even happen to your hair. So when it is curly hair, you become really worried about your dryness, because most of the time our hair is dry. And how do you really help your hair to be more moist and all? So what happens is, when you're going out, and when I'm not doing any show, or when I'm not in any of my so when I'm not shooting, or when I'm not on stage doing shows, what I do is I usually tie my hair tight, and kind of I always pack it, because I don't get exposed to sunlight much, because that can also damage your hair, because the direct sunlight is falling on your hair. So you must be thinking, what is ABC drink? Well, it is there on internet. You can always check. It is apple, beetroot, carrot drink. So you take all these three and then make juice out of it and drink first thing in the morning. Now continue this for like 2 months, and then don't have it for next 6 months, because you need gap also in between, because if you have excess of beetroot, then it can be even itching for you at times. Now I would want to tell you the most important thing which I follow, that's called the magic drink. I'm sure a lot of you are aware of the ABC drink that is on the internet. It was viral at one point in time. I just tried it and I really got a lot of results out of it. That helped me for my skin glow, it helped me in my hair growth, and of course overall being healthy. Well, that is called the ABC drink. Now ABC is like apple, beetroot, carrot. Now if you have the juice of these three things together for 2 months, that is first thing in the morning, even without having water, this is going to really help you. Now detangling becomes a big challenge. Now, how do I deal with it? Yes, whenever I'm on stage, I do shows and I come out, people say that how do you manage this hair? I tell you, the only routine that I follow is apply pure coconut oil for 2-3 hours, that too in enough quantity. And definitely after 1 hour of applying your oil, see that you apply the best conditioner, and that should be in your head for at least 1 hour. Now this is my way. A lot of people may say that it is not healthy because applying conditioner is not good for the hair, but totally depends on you and your hair, because you understand your hair better. My friend is actually helping me to take this video because I'm really a lazy guy in this. Well, what she's asking me is, how do you style your hair? No secret, no styling. It's natural, because I want to keep it simple. I don't want to really find any complicated way of styling it. So my curly hair community, I hope I could answer most of your questions. I know it doesn't come out of your mouth most of the time, but it is always there in your mind. So yes, definitely you can go for any of these products. Maybe this did not suit me, but it may suit you. So you need to understand that your hair is unique, and you should take care of your hair according to your comfort level. Okay, understand your hair. You have to understand their language. That's the most important thing. Do not go by what others say, because I've lost a lot of money behind that. I hope I was able to help you. And of course, if you have any more unique experiences with your curly hair, please comment. I'm just waiting for your feedback.